What's the meaning of acrostic? Acrostic. 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 Acrostic refers to a form of poetry where the first letter of each line spells out a word or phrase, typically related to the poem's theme. The resulting acrostic can be used to convey hidden messages or deeper meanings within the poem. This form of poetry has been used for centuries and has evolved to include various styles and techniques. While the use of acrostics in poetry has decreased in modern times, it remains an interesting and challenging form of expression for writers who wish to convey a message in a unique and creative way.